Hey guys, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to make honey chicken. So first let's start with the rice. I'm going to put water in first. Okay. Next, the 2 teaspoons of salt. But not all those, but I'll put a tiny little bit in. I'll mix it with a larger spoon. Alright, now I can put it with the cooker, and then I'll close the lid, and then I will press the button to cook. We've got the corn flour and the chicken ready in the bag, and then I can shake it up. Thanks for having me, guys. Yeah. Alright, then I can put it in the batter. I'm not put too much in. I hear the click because the rice is ready. Okay. I'll dip it in. And also what else I'm supposed to do, I can put it in the wok. Then I mix it in. I see it's going brown a little bit. You guys golden brown is this? Alright, now I will take the top bit off. And I won't see there's no even water here. Alright, I can put it on the top of it. This way. I think it needs more cooking in that one. You can see a little bit top of white a bit, but it's still cooked still. result of the chicken. You can see it's golden brown, as you see. Alright, for the next step, I've been coating in some honey. Never ready the honey, as you see it. What I also do, I can pour the honey with the chicken. All the honey's gone. And then I can mix it with that. Here's honey chicken we're going to put on the rice. Alright, now I can put a sesame seed. If you like, you can put the cashew, the nuts, underneath the rice and the chicken. Okay, there you go. There is a honey chicken. And you want to see more cooking video? Let me know, write down, comment below you want me to cook next. Click the subscribe button if you haven't got ready. Comment below you want me to do next. And as always, I will see you in the next episode. Bye.